Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic vermicompost at home. First, understand that vermicomposting is a fantastic way to transform your kitchen scraps into a super-rich soil amendment. It's an eco-friendly process that relies on the incredible work of worms. This method not only enriches your garden soil, but also dramatically cuts down on your household waste. It's surprisingly simple to set up and maintain, even in small spaces, making it perfect for anyone looking to go green. Setting up your worm bin is the first practical step. Select a dark, opaque container, ensuring it has proper drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Next, create a comfortable home for your worms by adding bedding material such as shredded newspaper or cardboard. Moisten this bedding until it feels like a damp sponge. Then, introduce your red wiggler worms. About 1 pound is ideal for a starter bin. Remember, good air circulation is crucial for a thriving worm colony.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful and learning a lot about vermicomposting, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support really helps us create more content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get information, and control your smart home devices. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Knowing what to feed your worms is key to successful vermicomposting. They love fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and used tea bags. However, it's important to avoid meat, dairy products, oily foods, and citrus, as these can attract unwanted pests and create unpleasant odors. Always bury the food scraps under the bedding material. This helps prevent fruit flies and keeps your bin smelling fresh. Start with small portions, gradually increasing the amount as your worm population expands. Maintaining your vermicompost bin ensures a continuous supply of rich fertilizer. Keep the moisture levels consistent. The bedding should always feel like a wrung-out sponge, never soaking wet. Gently turn the bedding every few weeks to provide aeration and prevent it from becoming too compact. You'll know the vermicompost is ready to harvest when it appears dark, crumbly, and smells like fresh earth. This finished product is excellent for enriching your garden soil or as a powerful fertilizer for potted plants.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.